Living a life with an outer achievement creates false mirage-like image for which we run, and it does not create satisfactions or a drive for a longer time. For example, if you keep your resolutions that I want a luxurious car end of the year, and let's say if you are not achieving the luxurious car, it means either you are not good enough, you have not worked hard, you don't deserve. You will fall in all this kind of a trap. And let's say if you find or if you get a luxurious car, then you will do what you feel like, going on a ride with the friends, feeling sense of achievement, and you will feel that you have done something, and you will feel that worthiness within you. Now the same feeling can be achieved, and it is not dependent on that luxurious car, because when you have kept that resolutions, your ultimate goal was to feel worthy, feel sense of achievement, spending time with the friends on that journey, and spending time with yourself. So those inner feelings which you are going to experience through the products, through your outer materialistic goal, is going to create a false mirage. So better to keep and understand what is the real substance behind my resolutions. What is that ultimately I want out of this material achievement, or with any kind of achievements. So posting our feelings behind the materials will lead to dissatisfactions. Instead, you say that no matter which mode of vehicle I travel, I am going to feel grateful and happy that I got a time to spend with my friends, family, and I'm going to cherish the number of vacations in these years. That goals, that resolutions will be more fulfilling and less dependent on other things.